All right, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. This project is working on a Bilt TB105 lawnmower. It's my buddy's, and he says it's hard to start, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. All right, let's try to start this thing up. I'm gonna check to see if it has a choke. Air filter right there. It's exhaust. It's not over full on oil. I don't see a choke. First pull. Ouch. That's gas from last year, guaranteed. I don't see the spark plug either. Thing looks like it's brand new. Air filter does not look too bad. Looks like a Fram.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Alright, I found the spark plug. It's just right here. Kind of wedged in back there. I'll cut myself. There we go. Don't roll on me. (13/16). I'm gonna pull this off, and then I need an extension. What the hell is this thing doing? This thing looks like it's brand new. I'm gonna clean up the spark plug and dump the fuel and put some fuel stabilizer and some good gas in it. That doesn't look that bad. Now I'm going to dump the fuel out. This ought to be interesting. Bad gas. Always something. All right, put a little fuel stabilizer in there, 1/4 ounce. And some good gas. I just bought this. Clean the spark plug a little bit. A little high on oil, but not too bad. Better than the last time. Bad gas. I'm just gonna put this bad boy back on there and top it up. And she's back in the fight. Again, hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. I believe all it was bad gas, which we've all had. Thanks for watching.